Hi everyone, welcome to another sketchbook flip through. In this video here I want to show you the collected drawings of the drawings that I did for the urban sketching video. Also I'll show you some of the studies that I've begun to do, and I'll show you some sketches of the things that I'm working on at the moment. It's a quite thick sketchbook, so grab something to drink and then just sit back and relax and enjoy. As some of you might have noticed, I do like to draw in a notebook once in a while, a lined notebook. I like the informality of it, and it just kind of frees me up a bit. Let's take a look at the first spread here. This is from a small summer house getaway, and in the area there was a really nice wildlife. Here we have a pheasant, and then we have two turtle doves here. I've never actually experienced turtle doves in reality, but they were so cute. And these are drawn with a fine liner and watercolor pencils. Some cloud studies here. In the garden of the summer house we had a visitor each day, a deer who came by, and in this one I managed to capture the deer eating some plums. I love these ones. This is some studies and sketches for a commission that I just got recently. One that I know who wants to have her diary experience of a diving excursion documented in a print. So here I have made some studies of some corals and trying to figure out the composition, because it's going to be a concertina, so kind of like a small book. So here I'm just trying to figure out the composition and the colors. We have a manta ray. A cat that I tried to draw in the garden also. Many of you know that I really love to do observational drawing, so just drawing a lawnmower has a huge effect for me. Here we have another project that I'm starting to work on, a little book about wine. And then we have the urban sketching drawing starting here. I can tell that this is from a park. To be more specific, a dog park. I started to draw here. Golden retriever. Some drawings from, this is some teenagers, I remember some school kids playing round ball, trying to catch their movements. It was quite fun. And then I returned to the dog park, and then something amazing happened. Two dogs came up very close to me and started, like greeting each other in their way. And this was where the urban sketching really showed its magical effect. Oh, look at these drawings. I'm so happy about these. Called a Shiba, and then this big dog. I don't know what this dog is called actually, the race. So please enlighten me if you know. We have some people. Interesting faces here. Some interesting poses, they tell a lot. Here on YouTube I've noticed that many people are interested in how can you draw hands, and I think the best way is really to observe hands and draw them, because then you know how they work, essentially how they grasp objects. You have to kind of study them by looking at them, I think. Here we are in the bus, I can tell. I like this one. Different people, different faces, different everyday tasks they're going through. Just adding a bit of watercolor in the shading areas, I think is a quite nice way to give it a little touch. Here we are at the library. People coming in with their bike helmets on, returning their books. And just a simple drawing like this. I also like this one. Again, just a touch of watercolor here and there to give the drawings a bit of pop. And this is where my obsession with catching the shaggy ink cap started. And the other two mushrooms, I don't know the names of, but yeah, I eventually I found the shaggy ink cap, and that made me so happy. And these are some studies of the face. We have chin and lip studies, and the eye and the nose. I'm trying to get back into kind of classical drawing. We have another mushroom here. Clustered coral, very beautiful. I used a ballpoint pen here actually, and then I just by smudging in some water, it created the shadows just by pure accident. That was quite fun. We have some other studies here. At some point I want to make a tutorial on how to draw, for instance, the eye, because I think I could add a bit of perspective to things here on YouTube. We have some building, industrial environment here. A very colorful outfit. Some random sketches. I really like this pose that this girl was sitting in, and yeah, the dove is from somewhere else. Yeah, just like a mix match of different things. I like to not have all my pages or spreads like perfect, because I think it's more fun to just be a bit wild. And I think that you have to do some drawings that are, not to say ugly, but I mean not perfect, because then you're gonna have some good drawings in there in between. And these are some funny fellas. These are kind of like some little organisms that grows on the acorn, and then wasps apparently lay eggs inside them. Quite disgusting, but they were really beautiful to draw. Some other sketches for the commission that I mentioned. Trying to figure out color. I'm really not good with step out of my comfort zone and get more into colors. These are drawn with the ink from the shaggy ink caps actually. I made a tutorial on how you can create your own ink. It's really fun, and I love the texture of the ink. My ink lasted about a week, and then a different kind of fungi came into it, so it is a live organism, you know, so I still haven't figured out how to conserve the ink, but it was nice to have for a week and to draw and paint with this natural ink here. Some color experimentation. And then we have my procrastination monkey here. I wanted to do a head turn of it, and then I just thought it would be fun to play around with the words. I hope you enjoyed the sketchbook tour. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite spread in there. And also remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and do subscribe to my channel. In October, I have plenty of interesting projects coming up for you to see. Other than that, I just wish you all a great day, and till next time, have fun drawing.